What's up, Toby? You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, you were going so fast. You've gotten real fast on your scooter.
Thank you, Dad.
Have you been practicing?
No. Want to get another one? Let's see.
Okay.
Why do you want me to hold him?
Yeah, he wants to go for a ride too. Look at the cuteness.
Oh my. Bogan! Hey, what's going on over here?
He wants to take a ride with me. I can't ride with him.
How come you can't drive with him?
Yeah, I can't reach because it's fun. It was fun. What the hell?
So I'll drive with my feet.
No, no nuts. You're gonna spoil your dinner. You wanna eat that?
Guess what?
What words do you say?
Threw a little cracker at Apollo. He jumped and he caught it in his mouth.
Nice. Not much of a catch. Hey, I don't think that was for you, girl. Oh, what love. She took it out of her mouth when you had to fall.
Mommy!
I'm gonna chew on my thumb.